Welcome back, guys. Before the story time, I tried something new. I decided to try a turban hijab style. I hope it looks good on me. Now it's story time. Hello, guys. Welcome back to my channel. If you haven't waxed before and thinking of waxing, this video will give you a heads up. So, also, this will be a story time of how I waxed myself. Okay, how I waxed myself. I made the wax myself, planning on creating a video waxing myself for the first time. Guys, it didn't end well. And I know you guys didn't see the video because I couldn't upload it. Guys, it wasn't funny. So what happened was that I wanted to create content just like I'm doing. So, and I also wanted to experience waxing for the first time. Waxing myself instead of just shaving or using cream and all. So I made wax and set up my camera, and I was like, okay, let's do this just like we're doing this now. Waxing is not for the weak. Okay, so I did it, I applied it, and once it was time for me to rip it out, guy, almost cried. In fact, I didn't even care that I was recording. All I was doing was I was just shouting, oh my, I don't know when I spoke Yoruba. Ah, it's not even funny. It's not funny like how I'm saying because the thing was already there. The thought of me saying, how am I going to pull it out? God, I'm not going. Let me just almost die. But guy, it's not funny. Well, eventually, I tried to pull it out carefully myself. I didn't whip it out or force it the way people do. Ha! Since then, I said, I will never try it. I will never try doing that thing to myself again. If you want, do you even know the funniest part? So when I was doing it, my siblings saw my reaction. They saw my reaction, and I was like, okay, I'm going to. I wasn't able to tell them that I'm going to wax them for them to agree because of my reaction. They were like, never. Because I was even telling them, that, please let me wax you. I'm going to give you this. Hey, they were like, hell no. They know answer me. No, they don't even do as if somebody was talking. I don't know. But I waxed like two of my brothers. I will, oh God, their reaction. I think I was exaggerating. You know, one of them that I have not even done anything. I was just putting the sugar wax on the wax on their body, on his body, sorry. And just for me to remove it, the way he screamed, I was like, it's not funny, I swear, it's not funny, it's not like I'm smiling now. Guy, waxing is not for the weak. I keep saying this thing. It's not easy. But I don't know. Even if someone wants to do me, like, want to wax me for free, I don't know if I can do it. Maybe it's because I'm not used to it. I'm not used to waxing. Maybe that's why. Maybe I don't know. In the future, maybe I'm going to make a wax again and try to. Hey God, can I do it? I'm trying to wax myself on camera. I don't know if I can do it, but my reaction to this, I can never forget that it's funny. It's really funny, and it's always brings put a smile on my face anytime I remember this. So whoever is telling you that waxing is not painful, the person is lying. Hey, God. I can still feel the pain. I don't know. I know that there's nothing wrong with me right now, but the God, I feel like I'm exaggerating right now. I'm shouting that I'm doing this, a lot of. But don't worry, when you try it, or if you've tried it before, how was your first experience? Just let me know down below because I know that I'm not exaggerating. That thing is painful, especially if you've not done it before and you say you want to try it. Just go to a professional because if you want to do it by yourself, because you know, so if you've not tried it before and you want to try it, just go to a professional because you know that if a professional did it for you, no matter what you've already put your leg inside. They will help you and remove it by force by fire. Even if you say you are not doing, they will try to remove it from you get. But you, hmm, okay, it's your body sha. But just comment down below, tell me how you felt when you waxed yourself for the first time, and if you would like to see me wax myself. And God, I don't know. I'm not promising anybody, even if you comment down below, I'm not promising anybody that I'm going to wax myself and record it because, guy, okay. Well, that was just it. Let me stop blabbing. I hope you like this video. I know, so please like the video, like, comment, subscribe to my channel, share my video. Tell me what you like to see in my next video. Interact with me, talk to me. Don't worry, let's communicate in the comment section. And that's the end of this video. I hope to see you guys in my video. Okay, if you want to see more videos of me, story time, I don't know if anyone would like to see a video, or I'm trying to remember. Okay, I don't know if I should say. Well, by the time I put my sister's baby inside the laundry basket because she was stressing me, and if you want to know her reaction, let me know. So, I don't know, I'm not, it's just me, this is just me. I feel like I'm saying too much of, I don't know, because I really know. Because I'm not sure because it's my channel. Also, I'm talking too much, I know. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. Bye.